What's going on, family? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cookies. The inspiration for this video was Subway because I absolutely love their peanut butter cookies. They were so good, in fact, that they had to discontinue them. The demand was just too high. Personally, I think these are much better than the ones you can get from Subway, but as always, taste is subjective. Now let's go ahead and get started. Begin by browning your butter in a pot set over medium heat. Once it's foaming and you see solids on the bottom turn brown, transfer the brown butter to a separate container. Let this cool to warm and begin measuring out your dry ingredients. I like to sift my dry ingredients to make sure things are evenly distributed. Combine 140 grams all-purpose flour with 30 grams each of peanut butter powder and malted milk powder. Next, add 4 grams each baking soda and salt. Give this a sift and set to the side. When I have the time or ambition, I like to sift multiple times to really make sure things are evenly distributed. This ensures the cookies are uniform and bake evenly. Our butter should be cooled enough, so add it to a bowl along with our 2 sugars and a splash of vanilla. Give this a mix. Next, add 1 straight from the fridge egg and notice how things become thick. Mix just until combined. We want 0 air in this. Dump your dry ingredients on top and mix into a nice smooth dough. Cover with plastic wrap and store in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now, I always make a double batch of cookies. I like to portion them out. With my scoop, I get 7 cookies. Freeze them and store them in a plastic bag where they will keep in the freezer for months. This way you can have cookies whenever you feel like it. Once ready to bake, place the cookies on a parchment-lined baking tray and bake at 350 for about 12 to 13 minutes. Halfway through cooking, remove the cookies and add your toppings. I use these peanut butter wafers plus roasted peanuts. Press these into the cookie and continue baking until done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video and share it with the peanut butter lovers in your life. This is my current favorite peanut butter cookie, but you're the chef, make it to your taste. If you want to use smooth peanut butter as opposed to powdered peanut butter, go ahead. And if you want to use candied peanuts as opposed to roasted peanuts, feel free. Again, you're the chef, make it to your taste. And if you don't have any taste, hit that subscribe button and watch another one of my videos. We're developing our taste here on this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off because these are best while still warm. So until next time, we out, baby.